BioCisco News of the World presents
Captain Charge!
And the Tale of Sigma Q. In the fight against muscle pain, there are many pretenders. Ultrasound, electrical stimulators, massage. But there's only one true hero who can take the fight inside the body, activating muscles to treat pain at the source.
Captain Charge!
Leading the charge for faster recovery and pain reduction. Born from the madcap experiments of a London scientist known as Dr. Roberto, this mini marvel wields the power of Sigma Q, the only patented neurotherapy muscle activation system. Able to sneak past the sensory nerves and harmlessly join the body's neural pathways, Captain Charge is a master of disguise. But let's take a step back. When muscles are injured or fatigued, they can't communicate properly with the brain. It's a neurological block. To get things back on track, you can't just stimulate the muscles topically. You need to activate the nerves so you can activate the muscles, putting them on a faster path to recovery. You need
Captain Charge!
Made up of charge packets or thousands of electrical charges wrapped in sound, our favorite neuro hero moves through the body as a powerful signal, searching for damaged muscle tissue. Like a tiny telepath, he mimics brain waves to find the root cause of the problem and restore communication. When duty calls, Captain Charge answers, activating the motor neuron synapse. This produces the acetylcholine combustion required to activate the muscle. Nano in size but massive in ability, he helps muscles work out painlessly and grow stronger. It's the gift of effortless exercise. With Captain Charge on the scene, no quest is too big and no hero too small. Whether your patient is an athlete, a weekend warrior, or just someone looking to feel stronger and free from pain, you know who to call.